Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Macbook to avoid accidental input or short circuits. Once done, lay it on a flat surface and assemble a microfiber cloth, 70% isopropyl or higher, and a few cotton swabs. These remove oils without scratching. You avoid household cleaners because they can strip coatings. Make sure to remove any case or stickers first. Begin with a dry microfiber wipe to lift loose particles. That first pass prevents dragging grit across the screen or body. Now focus on persistent fingerprints. Lightly dampen a corner of the microfiber cloth with isopropyl. Never spray liquids directly onto the device. You clean using gentle circular motions, increasing pressure only slightly on the glass trackpad and screen to dissolve oils. For seams, around the keyboard, and ports, use a barely damp cotton swab to avoid pushing moisture inside. You wipe again with the dry part of the cloth to remove streaks and check under angled light. Repeat the damp-dry cycle only when necessary. Finally, let the MacBook dry completely. You should wait several minutes before powering it on to ensure no residual moisture. Once dry, buff with a clean, dry microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish and inspect in angled light. If fingerprint residue persists, try a swab with higher strength isopropyl, like 90% very sparingly, or consider a screen-safe cleaner specified by Apple. If smudges or damage remain, stop and seek professional service to avoid warranty or coding issues. This prevents accidental damage from DIY escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.